So welcome here in our tutorial. Now we will talk about here is the chopping. So Instructor Jill, can we show them what it looks like? Instructor Jill.
Okay, viewers. First, I hit this part.
When we show them to the other side.
In the other side, so that you visualize it well, I hit this part. Now, don't forget to hold or to pull this arm of the opponent. Break this part and then slide it, hit the neck. Make sure that the hit is hard so that the opponent will feel the pain. Okay?
So, Instructor Jill, let's talk about the hands of the opponent. So, what about the hands?
Viewers, be aware that your opponent is a human and he has two hands. Two strong hands that can punch you and hurt you. Okay? Mr. M, can you punch me? Yeah, like that. The other one. Intercept and then hit. Do the same thing as I do a while ago. Okay? Make sure that you really hurt your opponent and make sure you do go away with the center line of the punch. And then after that, you go away so that you're away with him.
So, let's go back in this position. As I further explain here, you should be aware about, like Instructor Jill said, about the both hands, because if you're not, sorry for the noise, okay? Okay, so let's continue. If you're not aware that your enemy's hand is both, and you're just focusing about that cha-cha, like that, you're just a fool like that. If you do that, you're not thinking about this one, what the hell, you have a mind, you don't have. So, this can hurt you here, this can hurt you here. See? Because
and you will be hurt.
I'm hurt.
Badly.
I'm hurt. You also. See? So, now let's talk about here is the breaking the opponent advantage. Before we show the drill, okay, about that, let's show first the breaking the opponent's advantage. So, Instructor Jill, please punch me. What will you do first is to, like the earlier tutorial here, is to block this one and punch the breakout here. This is the breakout, your muscle. So, punch that hardly as Instructor Jill say. Bam! Then punch me in the other side. Then chop. So easy combination here. Please. So very easy combination that 1-2 attack can execute. You don't need to mind this anymore, because even so, this punch you already break his strength. This punch is already like a jab here, jab, a weak punch. You can again force that. You can again block that, easy to see, because this is already forceless. Okay. Then from here, you already chop that. So, did you get my point? Breaking the opponent's advantage. Other hands punch you because this person is thinking, alive, reacting. Chop the neck. That's, as Instructor Jill, that is vital. See. So Instructor Jill, can we show them some drills in chopping? So, for the boys first, okay? Ready? Attack. Okay. Now, for the girls, come here forward. For the girls, ready? See, as you can see how our Instructor Jill do that for the girls, somewhat slightly looks the same with the boys, okay? But the thing here is you should have much more stronger attack for the girls, alright? You should make it more forcive, because you're a girl.
Yeah, and you're hitting a man.
Yes, that man can somewhat absorb your strength.
He can tolerate it and then punch you.
See? That's what our instructor is talking about here. When that person tolerate your chop, like that, you chop like this one.
And not using your body weight to chop.
Using your body weight to chop, you're just doing like chopping a vegetable here. This person is not a vegetable, okay? This is a human that have a strength, like that.
Yeah, in real situation, this is not the way two people fight is very forcive, not like what we're
This is just a
demonstrating.
drill. Okay?
This is just a demo.
If you can see here that it is not too forcefully. So
Yeah.
why is it that
In real situation, it is very different, and you should prepare and then use what you had learned in our tutorial.
okay? So now I hope you learn a lot here in our chopping drill. So in our next tutorial we will talk about the chopping drill with a deadly combination. Okay? Oh, see, wow, a deadly combination. I hope I can see that. You can see that if you watch our next tutorial. So stay tuned. Let's go, Instructor Jim.